Hello and welcome to the fourth video of our Matrix MLS tutorial. In the previous video we looked into setting up a simple search for a single family house, and in this video we're gonna do a search for a condo or a co-op. So we're gonna go to the same place, hover over search and then click on RE1, RE2, and then it's gonna take you to the same search. The scenario we're gonna search for today is gonna be a condominium that needs to have an ocean view. Needs to be in Pompano Beach or in Deerfield Beach, priced between 500 to 700,000, have 2 or more bedrooms, over 1,000 square feet, and built after 1975. So let's do it. So first of all, we're gonna make sure we're searching for active listings. Then click on condo, co-op, villa, townhouse, and then the type of property is gonna be condo. If you wanted to search, for example, for a co-op as well, you just hold Control, click that, and that will add it to your search. But in this case we're gonna leave just condo, and so it's gonna have waterfront and it's gonna have ocean. So scroll down and ocean front. Alright, and then the price range is gonna be 500 to 700,000, 2 or more bedrooms. Now keep in mind, in these fields, if you actually hover over that question mark, it tells you your options for usage. So if you enter, for example, 2+, it's going to search for 2 or more. If you enter 2-3, it's going to search for range 2 to 3, or 2-, it's going to search for anything under 2. And you can always just hover it to tell you what your options are. So 2-bedroom, and then 1,000 square feet or more, and you're built after 1975, and the city is gonna be Pompano Beach and Deerfield Beach. Click OK, and we have 3 matches. So click on the results and you can see all the properties that match the criteria. You can always go back and change the criteria, and we'll just update the matches and select any other, add anything else that you need to the search. So anyway, this will conclude this video, and then in the next video we're gonna do a search for townhouses and villas, and I want to show you there's a difference between them that you need to know when you're searching for them, because some of them fall under an HOA and some fall under a condo association, and you need to know the difference when you're searching for them, when you're sending results to your buyers, because depending on the type of financing or how they're looking to purchase it, it may affect the results you want to send them. So anyway, we'll dive into that in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Succeed with Access USA Realty.